Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making spinach with pomegranate molasses, an easy to make side dish that has some intense flavors and pairs incredibly well with a roast or anything coming off the grill. Let's get started. Our ingredient list is very straightforward. We have a pound of spinach, 1 onion, a couple tablespoons of pine nuts, and then our magic ingredient, the pomegranate molasses. It's really intensely sour and a little bit sweet and has a really magical flavor. Assuming your spinach is washed, the only real prep is slicing the onion thinly. I'm going to toast the pine nuts on a medium-high heat. Should take about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to keep on moving these around because they can burn easily. I know it's done when the pine nuts just begin to get brown. In the same pan, I'm going to put the frywall into place, add a couple of tablespoons of oil, and start frying up the onions over medium heat. I'm going to go for about 7 to 10 minutes, just long enough for the onions to start to soften and get brown. I want to mix these every few minutes just to make sure they don't get burned. That looks good. I'm going to add the spinach at this point. I'm also going to turn up the heat to full blast, and I'm going to keep on turning the spinach constantly. I don't want to overcook the spinach, just go for long enough for the spinach to wilt down. If I do this well and at high enough temperature, the spinach will not give up too much liquid, and the bottom of the pan is going to be pretty dry when we're done. I'm going to add a little bit of salt here. The spinach is done. I'm going to add a tablespoon of molasses and mix that in. And this is ready to serve. All right, let's get this onto a plate. It has this amazing, beautiful, exotic smell to it. The acidity here just goes really beautifully with roasted meat because it cuts through it and has a beautiful contrast. Put some pine nuts on top. I love this with the steak or lamb kebab. It looks beautiful too. There you go. Spinach with pomegranate molasses. Enjoy.